Hi families! I wanted to share a website with you that I know is approved through the county, so if you have a computer from the county, your child can get on and access this website. It's something they could play with on their own and explore and learn just through exploring on their own, or something you could interact with them, giving them math story problems or math addition and subtraction problems. So if you type in didax.com, it's a math tools website. So these are the tools that are in our classroom that we use to have hands-on learning, to understand. So free virtual manipulatives. If you just click start now, there's no email, nothing you need, and your child can explore with any of these tools with you or without you. So right now in math, how we're doing the compose and decompose numbers, this is great with base 10 blocks. I did not use base 10 in our class meetings because you really need to have that tool to understand the group of 10 and the ones. Our Internet Explorer did not want to load it, but here we have it on Google Chrome. So I would not worry thousands and hundreds. Of course, they can play with it on their own to explore. But if I have the number 15, how do you decompose 15 into tens and ones? I have one group of 10 and 5 ones. And they can touch and move this. Again, if they are playing with this and exploring on their own, no harm. These are called Rec and Recs right here. It's again to see how we can break apart numbers and count on strategies. I have, okay, I don't know what's going on. 5 would be, maybe I have to click over here. Okay, I don't know, but they see the group of 5 and 2 more makes 7. It's always 5 red, 5 white with Rec and Recs. It's, I think, just really nice manipulatives for them to play with. So I would look at if you can download this or favorite this on a tablet, or if you could favorite bookmark it on their student device. And I have been doing in our class meetings education.com with the math games that the kids are really seeming to like. I did my email, and I didn't add students because I didn't want to give you one more thing you thought you had to do. I picked kindergarten, and there's lots of practice. I did the sight word practice with them. They really liked it. Gets the guy all muddy. These have things you could print, but I was looking for more games that could really get them involved and buy in. So we've been, long and short vowel. Maybe I can look at this for the long O we just started. And you play the game. I'm sure to get further you would have to pay, but we have been really liking it, and students who don't normally get involved in the class meetings get involved and want to shout out answers. So I highly recommend trying this. Spot the summertime shapes. For additional practice. I've been using this. I used this for many years, but more of the worksheets. I think you could kind of target just online games for them and let them explore through here.